If the doctor that you have sued is the chairman of his department, does that mean that he can do no wrong? Does that mean that he gets off the hook simply because he's the chairman of the department? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some terrific information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is no. The mere fact that the doctor happens to be the chairman of the department, that means he has an academic and an administrative title, that he is the chairman of the department. But let me share something with you that a lot of people don't really understand. The fact that someone is chairman of a department does not mean that he's a better physician than anybody else. It doesn't mean that his credentials are so much better than anybody else. The defense would have you believe otherwise. The defense would have you believe that being the chairman means that he is God, that you must now bow down to him. And I'm not talking about literally, but in the sense of they want you to believe that that is the most credible doctor in the world and that there is nobody higher than the chairman of a department. Well, guess what? The mere fact that somebody holds an academic or administrative title of chairman of a department, you should know that that title means the doctor's time is taken up half the time with administrative matters. The other half the time, hopefully, he's doing clinical practice. He's treating patients. And now, the mere fact that he is the chairman of the department doesn't mean that he's a better doctor than anybody else, nor does it mean that he did not violate the basic standards of medical care. Because that's what we have to show. We have to show that we are more likely right than wrong, and no matter what title the doctor has, no matter what his credentials, no matter what his publications are, we have to show that at a particular date, at a particular time, this doctor violated the basic standards of medical care. And not that he used his best medical judgment, but rather that he violated and departed from good and accepted medical practice, and as a result of those violations, you suffered significant injury. So going back to the original question, the mere fact that the doctor has the title of chairman of the department, that does not mean that he gets off scot-free, nor does it mean that the doctor can do no wrong. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because some people are of the perception that simply because a doctor holds the title of chairman, that is the highest position possible. Well, the reality is no, that's not. The reality is that the highest level of certification a doctor can have is being board certified in a particular medical specialty. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have legal questions that you need answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.